Hi guys, it's Susan here. I am just heading into my midwife appointment. So I am 13.5 weeks pregnant now, and this will be my second midwife appointment. I wanted to record a little bit for you guys because this should be the very first time that Vince and I hear the baby's heartbeat. I feel like I'm super tired and like out of breath. It's been a crazy day, you guys. I'm gonna make a video for you to post tomorrow about what happened today. It was my day off, but actually it ended up being a really busy, kind of crazy day. And yeah, I don't know, stuff is going on, but I'll make you that video for tomorrow. Anyways, today, hopefully this will be an amazing end to the day, or semi-end to the day, because hopefully we will finally hear the baby's heartbeat. So Vince is not here right now. He's heading here right after work, straight from work. So yeah, our appointment's at 5:30, and yeah, I'm gonna head in right away. And yeah, hopefully it all goes well. Hopefully we can hear the heartbeat and you guys can hear it as well. If it's faster or slower, it's a boy or a girl.
Yeah. So
That's right. Yeah.
I think the theory is if it's faster, it's a girl, and slower, it's a boy. But usually at the beginning of pregnancy, every baby's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. So about that 150 to 170 at the beginning is very normal, and then often it does settle out kind of by the end of pregnancy. Yeah.
So the baby's more on the right side then?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah. So I remember last time I came in, I told you, I was like, it always hurts on this side.
Yeah.
So that's what I thought. So we're back home now. You guys just saw the midwife checking for the baby's heartbeat. And as she said, it was beating at 155 beats per minute. And there is an old wives' tale that talks about the gender and how fast the heartbeat is beating. And so I looked that up afterwards, and it said that like the average baby's heartbeat is, I think, 120 to 160 beats per minute. And the old wives' tale says that if it's faster than 140, that means it's a girl, and if it's slower than 140, that means it's a boy. So ours was definitely faster, but as the midwife said, it's still pretty early. The baby's very young right now. So when they're young, their heart beats faster anyways, because the smaller it is, the faster the heart beats. So we'll see. But yeah, that's kind of one point for having a girl, but we'll see what it is. So also during this appointment, we talked to the midwife about when we would be doing our ultrasound. So this will be our very first ultrasound, and probably only ultrasound unless there's some complications that we need another one for. And so that will be the one that we find out the gender. And so she set us up, or she gave me some paperwork, so I still have to set up the appointment, but she said anywhere from 18 weeks to 20 weeks is sort of a good time to get that ultrasound done. So right now I'm almost 14 weeks. I think tomorrow or the next day I'll be 14 weeks. So 4 to 6 more weeks, and we will find out the gender. So until then, I guess maybe I can try out some of the other old wives' tales too, and try to figure out what we're having. I think I told you guys before that I felt like we were having a boy as soon as I got pregnant, and now I'm not so sure. Now I'm questioning it, and I'm starting to feel like maybe it's actually a girl. And for my husband Vince, at first he thought that it was a girl, and then like a week or so ago, he had a dream that we had a boy, so then he started thinking it was a boy. So we both, right now at this point, don't know at all. We don't really feel anything either way. So yeah, in another month or so, we will find out what we are actually having. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. And as I said, today was kind of a crazy day, so I do have a bit to tell you guys. I'm going to record that tonight and then yeah, put it on YouTube tomorrow, so watch out tomorrow for that video. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great night. See ya. Bye.